Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a little surprise for y'all today. Got some goodies that came in for my uncle's G80, and we're going to go ahead and get them installed at PSI down in Orlando. Go ahead and put their link right here on their Instagram. Also, and I forgot to mention, like, these cars from factory are so nice, but there's one thing in particular that, like, it needs to be fixed. It's an eyesore. So maybe it's a little clue for you guys. Damn. Y'all, if y'all ever stick around for this channel, I might have to cop one of these. I really want a 128. Not a 135. I want the 128. Hello. No. We just got it lowered and spacered. I think it's looking pretty nice. It can go a little lower, but functionality wise, well, it's X-Drive, so you got to be careful with that. The front, yeah, it's perfect. It's gonna settle as well too. So, but damn, look at that. Damn, I never really give y'all like an in-depth look about my uncle's G80, but so it's a Drab It gray with the 825 wheels. 825 M wheels, orbit gray face, machine lip, gloss black trim, carbon roof. It's got the Kalami orange interior with the carbon buckets. Obviously the lasers, competition. Oh man, look at that. Ooh. Crazy. Look, I'm gonna step on you. Be careful. But yeah, that lip is gonna, once that lip goes on, that's gonna be perfect.
That's his, oh, that was his first G80.
Take. Damn, they give this for free?
You vlogging this shit?
Yeah. Yola never seen y'all, but this page has seen y'all.
Y'all remember takeout? I don't.
Hey, oh shit, the shirt. Oh, damn, bro. Let me see your nose. I'm just kidding.
It's about to be changed. Why you put a nose down? But
Alright.
what God gave
Hey, in the comments below, do you think? Hey, let me know in the comments below if you think he should get a nose job. Should Muhammad go to Turkey and get a nose job?
I have a deviant acceptance.
Hey,
Whatever,
hey, bro. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Hey, respect.
I skate death, bro.
Yeah.
I skate death, bro. God did.
God did.
God did.
God did.
Button, man.
Don't drop my phone.
I won't, bro.
All right, y'all.
But he going to hell, bro. Like, that's literally gluttony, bro.
I just want to.
You eat 3 rolls at once, you going to hell, bro. I mean, you a consumer of the Matrix, bro. Like, the way
Man,
you eat,
I work for the Matrix. I actually work for Apple, so.
Okay.
Okay. Look, they're telling me not to do it.
You going to hell, man. You going to hell, bro. You going to hell, bro. You going to hell.
Get that last one. Hey, bro, you want to see a magic trick? No.
Yo. Grown ass man, bro. Grown ass man.
Did it look like a tongue?
Yo, whatever, bro.
Bro. Just keep scooping, bro. Just keep scooping.
All right. It just gotta melt a little bit, bro.
Sorry, my
Bro, wish you could do this, bro.